Well, why does my iPhone screen look yellowish? How can I fix it without wasting a single moment? Okay, here are the explanations and solutions in this video. Section 2. Fix iPhone yellow screen tint with 8 methods. Method 1. Allow display adhesive to cure. Method 2. Turn auto brightness on and then off. Method 3. Change color tint. A specific yellow tint keeps users' eyes from harmful rays. Adjusting color tint might help eradicate the yellow screen on iPhone. Method 4. Turn off the True Tone display. Method 5. Disable night shift. Method 6. Reduce white point. Method 7. Update iOS to its latest version. Method 8. Contact Apple support. Section 3. Fix iPhone yellow screen of death without losing data. As the favorite of iPhone repair tools, iOS System Recovery can securely repair almost all problems except hardware.